Let's see here. I'm actually building an AI SOC tool for SOC 1 analysts to query logs inside of a cloud platform like AWS and Azure. That's awesome. There's definitely a need for that. Definitely a need for that. The article about platforms increasing marketability, I think this is very real. Off the top of my head, I could think of a few awesome tools that would be great. But building an AI SOC tool, like AI would be really good at seeing patterns for indicators of compromise and anomalies. It's going to be really good at that. And so I can see them implementing it. I believe they're already implementing into things like Splunk, where you have AI helping the SOC analyst in that way. But I think any right now, it's open market for GRC and AI tools to really blow up because there's a lot of gaps that could be filled with AI tools like the one that you're developing. So that's awesome, man. Keep it up. Go for it. And Larry says, recently I read an article basically saying that the adoption of cloud and AI are currently far outpacing cybersecurity defense oversight. How do those in the security space prevent from being left out? Yeah, it's going really fast. Like that's a great point because it's developing very fast. And m- what I'm noticing is many industries more and more using cloud platforms and adopting as fast as they can without risking their business. AI tools, large language models, anything that they can get their hands on. I'm seeing it in real time being adopted quickly.